Hey guys, what's going on? It's Lloyd from Magic's Visual here, and today I'm going to do a video for you. I know it's been a long while since I did a video, a very long while in fact, but I thought now was the best time to do one. As the news I've got is that I'm now a YouTube partner. That means obviously I'll be able to supply more content for you lot, my subscribers and fans. And it'll give me obviously more motivation to what I used to do and what I would like to get back doing. So today, what I'm going to show you how to do is change your Windows 7 or Windows Vista or Windows 8 Logon background. So if you just get an example up for you of what I'm going on about. Is something along the lines of this here. So obviously you've got your profile picture box, your name, and where you put your password in, and obviously behind it you can obviously see that that isn't a stock background. So today that's what I'm going to show you how to achieve that. So let's close that down. So to start out, what you want to do is obviously go and find a picture that you want as your background, and mine's just going to be this. It's important to mention that it's got to be less than 256 kilobyte. Sorry, megabyte, is it kilobyte? No, kilobyte. And obviously to check this, you can get a file in the Windows viewer, the photo viewer. You can right click and click properties. So obviously here it will tell you how big the file is, which is 49.2 kilobytes, and obviously that's fine because the limit is 256 kilobyte. Also, when you come to save this, you want to save it as the best resolution as possible because it'll look nice then, but you also want to make note of what it's called, and all it is called background default, but default with a capital D. And for this to work, it's always got to be a JPEG picture, so consider that when downloading your photo. So with that in mind, I've just put that on my desktop for now. The next part that you want to do is go into your Registry Editor. Simply to get this up is Reg Edit and click Enter. So you'll click Yes. Now you want to make sure that you've got the setting string value, and if not, I'll tell you what to put in and how to edit it. So what you want to do is go to local machine, software, then you want to scroll down to Microsoft, and once you're at Microsoft you want to scroll down to Windows, which is there. Once you're on Windows, you want to click onto current version, and obviously normally if you want to change the information on your OEM screen, which is this, if you want to change any of these settings here, you want to add in phone numbers, or you would go into the OEM information. Obviously those are there, but for this demonstration we're not changing the OEM information, we're just changing the background of the Logon screen. So once you are in current version, you want to go down to this one here, and you want to click on Logon User Interface or Logon UI. Once you're at this one, it's kind of self-explanatory really. You've got background, boot animation, and so on. Don't need to worry about the boot animation for today, it's the background one that we're focusing on. So once you're here, you just click once on it and you'll have two things hopefully. And the one that we're interested in is the D word value here, which says OEM background. Now obviously if you don't have this, you should delete this. If you don't have this, you'll click new and D word value, and you'll call that OEM background, like that. And once you're here, you'll click on it and it'll have the value data set as 0. Now for this to work, that obviously if you already had the OEM background string already there, you'll just click onto it and it'll just display this. For the background to work, you want to change the value to 1, and that's simply it. You'll click OK, you'll exit out of the Registry Editor. Then the next step is the background image itself. You need to put this in a special place. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to go to Computer, your C drive, which is often mine just called Local Disk, Windows, then you want to find System32, and from this you want to find OOBE. Once you're in this, you might not have that info folder, so obviously you'll right click, you'll do a folder, you'll accept it and just call it info, all in lowercase. Once you're here, what you'll want to do is put this background default.jpg in that folder. Obviously you'll continue, it'll be in there. Now for demonstration of my folder here, my info logo folder, you won't have all these ASA logos necessarily on yours. I've just put those in to act with my my system information, which is just displayed there, and that's it. Now you're in that, and you'll close that down, and you'll go over here, you'll log off, and it'll display that background for you. I'll stop the recording now, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I have started a blog yesterday, and that tells you a bit about the partnership with YouTube that I've developed, and obviously how that occurred. So thank you for watching.